Planning your next vacation in January but don't know where to go? Well, you're in luck. We're about to embark on a journey around the globe, exploring some of the best countries to visit at the start of the year. We've carefully selected these destinations based on a few key criteria, such as affordability, favorable weather conditions, and the unique experiences they offer. From the sun-kissed beaches of the southern hemisphere to the snow-capped peaks of the Alps, we've got something for everyone. We'll delve into the vibrant cultures, tantalizing cuisines, and the overall cost of living in each of these places. Whether you're a solo adventurer or traveling with your family, we've got you covered. And don't worry, we'll also guide you on what essentials to pack for your trip, so buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride. Stay tuned as we reveal the top countries for a January vacation. First up, we're heading to the land down under, Australia. It's the middle of summer here in January, a perfect time to explore the sun-kissed beaches and vibrant cities. The weather is warm and welcoming, with average temperatures ranging from 75 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't forget your summer clothing and a good bottle of sunscreen to protect your skin from the intense Aussie sun. Now let's talk about the cost of living. Australia is known for its high standard of living, but it's still possible to travel on a budget. Opt for public transportation like buses and trams, which are not only affordable but also a great way to see the city. As for accommodation, there are plenty of budget-friendly hostels and guest houses scattered across the country. Food in Australia is a cultural experience in itself. From the classic Australian barbecue to the iconic meat pie, there's a dish for every palate and pocket. Dining out can be a bit pricey, but you can save money by eating at local markets or trying your hand at cooking some Aussie dishes. Speaking of cultural experiences, Australia is home to the world's oldest living culture. Visiting the indigenous communities and learning about their rich history and traditions is a must-do. Australia offers a range of experiences, whether you're a beach bum, a city slicker, or a history buff. So if you're seeking summer in January, Australia is your go-to destination. Next, we swap the summer heat for the winter chill in Switzerland. One of the most serene places on Earth, Switzerland is transformed into a fairy tale-like winter wonderland come January. The Swiss winter brings with it a blanket of snow, turning the landscape into a pristine white canvas, perfect for all those snow angels and snowball fights. The cost of living in Switzerland can be on the higher side, but fear not, budget travelers. With some careful planning, you can enjoy this winter paradise without breaking the bank. Opt for budget accommodations in hostels or B&Bs, and make use of the Swiss Travel Pass for unlimited travel on public transportation. Switzerland is also a food lover's delight. From creamy Swiss cheese to the world-renowned Swiss chocolate, your taste buds are in for a treat. And let's not forget about the hearty Swiss winter dishes like raclette and fondue that'll keep you cozy in the cold. And for the adventure seekers, Switzerland offers an array of winter activities. Skiing and snowboarding are a must on the snow-clad Swiss Alps. Don't forget to pack your warmest clothes, snow boots, and maybe even a flask of hot cocoa because it's going to be chilly. Remember, Switzerland is more than just a place, it's an experience. It's about making memories in the snow, warming up by the fire, and enjoying the simplicity of a Swiss winter. For those who love the cold and snow, Switzerland offers a winter wonderland in January. From the cold, we move to the tropical paradise of Thailand. As January rolls in, Thailand welcomes you with its warm and balmy weather. It's a perfect reprieve from the winter chill that most of the world experiences during this time. Thailand is not just about its sunny beaches and lush landscapes, it's a country that offers a rich cultural experience, from its grand palaces and temples to its vibrant street markets. You can immerse yourself in the local culture without burning a hole in your pocket, thanks to the low cost of living. Traveling in Thailand is budget-friendly, making it a paradise for backpackers and budget travelers. You can enjoy a hearty street food meal for the price of a cup of coffee back home. And let's not forget the divine Thai cuisine, a tantalizing blend of sweet, sour, bitter, and spicy flavors that will take your taste buds on an unforgettable journey. When packing for Thailand, remember, it's a tropical country. Pack light clothing, preferably cotton or linen to beat the heat. A wide-brimmed hat and sunscreen are also must-haves. Don't forget to pack an insect repellent, it comes handy in keeping those pesky mosquitoes at bay. Thailand is a country that offers more than just a tropical getaway. It's a place where you can experience a different culture, savor unique flavors, and make memories without straining your budget. Thailand gives you a tropical getaway with a rich cultural experience in January. So there you have it, 3 diverse countries perfect for a January vacation. Australia, the land down under, offers a unique summer experience in January. It's a paradise for nature enthusiasts with its stunning beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and wildlife unique to the continent. The cost of living is slightly high, but budget travel is possible with a bit of planning. Make sure to pack your summer essentials and be ready to enjoy some Barbie. Switzerland, the winter wonderland, is a haven for snow lovers. Its snow-capped mountains and picturesque villages offer a magical winter experience. The cost of living is on the higher side, but the mesmerizing beauty of the Swiss Alps is worth every penny. Warm clothing is a must, and don't forget to indulge in some Swiss chocolate and cheese fondue. Thailand, the tropical paradise, is known for its warm weather, beautiful beaches, and rich cultural heritage. The cost of living is relatively low, making it a popular destination for budget travelers. Pack your beach essentials, and be ready to explore the street food, temples, and bustling markets. Each of these countries has its unique offerings. Whether you're a beach bum, a snow bunny, or an adventure seeker, there's a place for you. Consider the weather, cost of living, food, and cultural experiences when planning your trip. Don't forget to pack according to the climate and respect the local customs and traditions. No matter your preference, be it summer, winter, or tropical, these countries offer unforgettable January vacations. Start packing.